Let's begin by introducing the supply parts and hardware. We have right side, left side crash bars and a cross brace. The supplied hardware, we have one M8 by 70 millimeter long bolt, one M8 by 80 millimeter long bolt, and then we have two M8 by 45 millimeter long bolt plus washer. We have six M6 by 20 millimeter long bolts plus washers and nylock nuts, and one 5mm thick spacer. Tools, Torx 50 bit, ratchet plus extensions, 8, 6, and 5mm Allen bits, and a 10mm wrench or spanner. Now it's important to mention that if you have already installed the skip plate, or if you're installing the skip plate at the same time with the crash bars, put the bracket in place first. It's going to make your life easier. And then put in the cross brace. This is a very, very finicky part. Take your time and gently put it in place. And once that's done, you can put the M6 by 20 millimeter long bolt through with the washers. And on the back side, spin on the nylock nut. Again, very tight space. Take your time. And then you can put the bracket back in place if you have the skip plate as well. And then you can take out the OEM bolt as shown. Be careful, there's a spacer behind the frame and that's going to fall out. Save it. We're going to put those back in place. Now you can mount the crash bar. And you can grab the M8 by 80 millimeter long bolt. Don't forget to put some blue Loctite on it. Just turn it a couple of times, let it dangle, and then put the spacer back in with the OEM bolt. Again, turn that bolt a couple of times, leave it nice and loose. And then the M8 by 45 millimeter bolt plus the washer. Again, don't forget to apply some blue medium strength Loctite. And then the two M6 by 20 bolts plus washers and nylock nuts. Spin on the nylock nuts and once again leave this nice and loose. No need to use any tools at this point of the installation. All right, now we can repeat the very same steps on the other side. Again, take out the bolt and the washer. Mount the right side crash bar, this time with the M8 by 70 up top. Again, don't forget to apply some blue Loctite. Put the OEM spacer and the bolt back in. Turn that a couple of times, leave it loose. And then at the front, M8 by 45, super tight space, take your time. And then the cross brace on the other side, again, 6 by 20 plus washers plus the nylock nuts. And once that's done, you can begin to gradually tighten all the bolts and nuts. Do not tighten one bolt all the way till the end. Just a few turns and then repeat. Go around the bike and repeat. Otherwise, if you tighten one bolt too much, it can pull on the structure. So once that's done, go out for a test ride, double check all the bolts and nuts once again. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortech.com, or you can call toll free 877-931-3636. Thank you for watching.